Can you imagine a sound so powerful it rattles windows, shakes the ground, and echoes through the sky like nature itself is clapping back? This isn't thunder. It's not an earthquake. It's the unmistakable roar of progress, the SpaceX Dragon spacecraft breaking the sound barrier, creating a sonic boom that reminds us just how fast we're flying into the future. Today, we're diving deep into the phenomenon of the SpaceX Dragon sonic boom, what causes it, where and when it happens, and why it matters for space exploration and life here on Earth. Let's go beyond the stars and into the science behind the boom. 1. What is a sonic boom? A sonic boom is a loud explosive noise caused by the shock waves created when an object travels faster than the speed of sound, approximately 767 miles per hour or 1,235 kilometers per hour at sea level. As the object moves, it compresses air molecules in front of it, forming a Mach cone. These pressure waves merge into one intense shock wave, which we hear as a boom. Did you know? Sonic booms aren't just one sound, they're continuous. But from the ground, it sounds like a single, sharp crack. 2. When does SpaceX's Dragon create a sonic boom? Dragon creates a sonic boom during both launch and re-entry, but only one is noticeable to people on the ground. During launch, the Falcon 9 rocket accelerates quickly, but the sonic boom occurs too high in the atmosphere to be heard clearly. During re-entry, after completing its mission, Dragon re-enters Earth's atmosphere at hypersonic speeds approximately 17,500 miles per hour, generating multiple sonic booms. One from Falcon 9's return landing burns supersonic descent. Another from Dragon's own re-entry through the atmosphere before parachuting down. Key moment during Crew Demo 2 and other crewed missions, observers near splashdown zones have reported hearing double sonic booms, a rare and thrilling event. 3. Why do booms? Understanding the double crack, sonic booms often come in pairs, one from the nose of the vehicle and another from the tail. This creates two distinct pressure changes. High pressure spike, normal pressure, negative pressure dip, back to normal. The result is a double boom, boom boom, sometimes seconds apart depending on altitude and aircraft size. Real-world example. When Falcon 9 lands on drone ships, the twin sonic booms can be heard across coastal areas like Florida's Space Coast. 4. Where are sonic booms heard from SpaceX missions? Launch, usually not heard due to rapid ascent and atmospheric conditions. Landing Falcon 9, commonly heard in areas near Cape Canaveral, Florida, and occasionally in parts of Georgia or the Bahamas. Dragon re-entry, splashdown zones like the Gulf of Mexico or Atlantic Ocean are where observers report sonic booms during crew returns. Global reach, as SpaceX expands operations to other launch sites like Starbase in Texas, new communities may experience sonic booms more regularly. 5. How loud are they? Sonic booms from Falcon 9 and Dragon typically measure between 80 to 100 decibels, about as loud as a thunderclap or a jet takeoff, not dangerous to humans or structures, but startling. NASA and SpaceX monitor these events closely to ensure public safety and comfort. Here is a fun fact. NASA once tested supersonic aircraft with shaped sonic booms to make them quieter, a tech that could influence future SpaceX vehicles. 6. The future of sonic booms in space travel. As SpaceX develops Starship expect even louder and more frequent sonic booms during test flights and landings. New technologies aim to reduce boom intensity, making future space travel less disruptive. With more launches and reentries, sonic booms will become part of everyday life near major spaceports. What's next? Will we learn to live with the roar of rockets? Or will we engineer the boom out of the equation? The next time you hear about a SpaceX launch or landing, don't just look up. Listen carefully, because if you're lucky enough to be in the right place at the right time, you might just hear the sound of innovation slicing through the sky at Mach speeds. So, what do you think? Are sonic booms a nuisance? Or a symbol of humanity's push into the cosmos? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.